Hello students, welcome to the next video of numerical analysis. In the last video we had learned about Hermite interpolating polynomial or how to derive an Hermite interpolating formula. Now in this class we'll be solving a problem on that. So the problem is like this. Consider Hermite interpolating polynomial that fits the following data and hence find f of 0.5, which is nothing but h2n plus 1 of 0.5. where the x is given, x is minus 1, 0 and 1, f of x is given 1, 1, 3 and f dash of x is given minus 5, 1 and 7. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, yi ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, yi prime ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, no difference in this. So this is x0, x1 and x2 here. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ i ranges from 0 to n ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ x0, x1, x2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ i ranges from 0 to 2 here. Okay. So now we'll write what is the Hermite interpolating formula first. So consider solution. Consider the Hermite interpolating formula h2n plus 1 of x is summation I is equal to 0 to n ui of x into yi plus summation I is equal to 0 to n vi of x into ui prime. Okay. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ x0, x1, x2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ n is equal to 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So that implies summation I is equal to 0 to 2 ui of x yi plus summation I is equal to 0 to 2 vi of x into ui prime. What are ui and vi? ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದುಬಿಡೋಣ. So your ui of x is equal to 1 minus 2 into li prime of xi into xi minus xi whole thing into li of x the whole square, and your vi of x is x minus xi into li of x the whole square. li ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ರಾಂಜ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪೋಲೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ L0, L1, L2 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ x0, x1, x2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we need to find those. So first we'll find L0. So L0 of x is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 whole thing divided by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2. So this is x minus x1 is 0 into x minus 1 whole thing divided by minus 1 minus 0 into minus 1 minus 1. So your L0 of x will be x into x minus 1, which is x square minus x divided by minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So we got L0 of x. Now we need L1 of x. So L1 of x will be x minus x0 into x minus x2 whole thing divided by x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2. So x minus of minus is plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by this is 0 minus minus of minus is plus 1 and this is 0 minus 1. So x minus 1 into x plus 1 is x square minus 1 square divided by minus 1, or you can write L1 of x as 1 minus x square. We next have L2 of x should be found out. So L2 of x is x minus x0 into x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x0 into x2 minus x1. So that implies x plus 1 into x minus 0 whole thing divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0, or L2 of x is x square plus x divided by 2. We got L0 of x, L1 of x and L2 of x. So idrದು derivative ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, because in ui we have li prime of xi. So we'll find the derivatives of this. So L0 prime of x will be 2x minus 1 divided by 2. Similarly, L1 of x will be minus 2x, and L2 of x will be 2x plus 1 divided by 2. So we got all the li's and its derivatives. Now we need to find u naught. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ I is equal to 1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, I is equal to 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If I is equal to 0, then this will become u naught of x naught ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So u naught of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x naught ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ minus 1. So we'll solve this now. So at I is equal to 0, x naught is minus 1. So we'll substitute. So this will become u naught of x is equal to 1 minus 2 into L naught prime of x naught into x minus x naught into L naught of x the whole square. So this is 1 minus 2 into, so L naught of x naught is, we have found out what is L naught of x. L naught of x is 2 into x minus 1 divided by 2. That becomes 2 into x naught minus 1 divided by 2 into x minus x naught is, minus of minus will become plus, and we have derived L naught of x, differentiated, which is 2x minus 1 divided by 2. So that is L naught of x alva, ಇದು L naught of x, ಇದು L naught of x. So L naught of x ಏನು, x square minus x divided by 2. So this is x square minus x divided by 2 the whole square. Now this will become 1 minus 2 into 2, this is minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into x plus 1 into, this is x square minus x, expand using a plus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula, x to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2 x cube. So this is 1 minus of, this is x plus 1, I have left out. So 1 minus 2 is minus 3, and these two can be cancelled. So this is minus 3. So minus into minus will become plus 3. So 1 plus 3 into x plus 1 into 1 by 4. Put a bracket here, it makes difference now. 1 by 4 into x to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2x cube. So if you simplify this, if you multiply 3 inside, it will become 3x. If you multiply 3, it will become 3. 3 into 1 is, 3 plus 1 is 4 into 1 by 4 of x to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2x cube. So this is your u naught of x. So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ at x is equal to 0.5 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ we'll find it out. So at x is equal to 0.5, then this will be u naught of 0.5 is equal to 3 into 0.5 plus 4 into 1 by 4 into 0.5 to the power of 4 plus 0.5 square minus 2 into 0.5 cube. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರು 0.08593. ನೀವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಅಟ್ x is y is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ at I is equal to 1, we have x1 is 0. So this will become u1 of x is equal to 1 minus 2 into L1 prime of x1 into x minus x1 into L1 of x whole square. So 1 minus 2 into, we know what is L1 prime of x1. L1 prime of x is minus 2. So minus 2x1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. x minus x1 is 0 minus L1 of x is 1 minus x square the whole square. So x1 is 0, x1 0 ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಟರ್ಮ್ 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So we are left with 1 minus 0 is 1 into x into 1 minus x square ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will be getting 1 plus x to the power of 4 minus 2x square. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಒಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್, ಸೊ u1 of x is 1 plus x to the power of 4 minus 2x square. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now we need to find at x is equal to 0.5. So at x is equal to 0.5, then we'll be having u1 of 0.5 as 1 plus 0.5 to the power of 4 minus 2 into 0.5 square. So we'll be having u1 of 0.5 as 0.5625. Next at I is equal to 2, we have x2 as 1. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So students, I have solved this. So u2 of x is 1 minus 2 L2 prime of x2 into x minus x2 into L2 of x the whole square. We know what is L2 prime of x, which is 2x plus 1 by 2. So we have x plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ x2 ಇದೆ. So x2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. x2 is 1, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we got this polynomial 4 minus 3x into 4 into x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 2x cube. After putting x is equal to 0.5, we got x2 of 0 as x2 of 0.5 as 0.35156. Now we need to find what are vi's. v1 v0 of 1, sorry, v0 of x, v1 of x and v2 of x. ಮೂರನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ at I is equal to 0, v0 of x is equal to x minus x naught into L naught of x the whole square. But what is x naught? X naught is minus 1. So this is x plus 1 into L naught of x is x square minus x divided by 2, which is 1 by 4 into x plus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2x cube. Now at x is equal to 0.5, we get v0 of 0.5 as 1 by 4 into 0.5 plus 1 into 0.5 power 4 plus 0.5 square minus 2 into 0.5 cube. After simplifying, I got V naught of 0.5 as 0.02344. Now at I is equal to 1, your x1 is 0. So V1 of x is equal to x minus x1 into L1 of x the whole square. So x minus 0 into L1 of x is 1 minus x square the whole square, which is x into 1 plus x to the power of 4 minus 2x square. This is your V1 of x. So at x is equal to 0.5, we get V1 of 0.5, which is 0.5 into 1 plus 0.5 to the power of 4 minus 2 into 0.5 square. So we will get V1 of 0.5 as 0.2812. Now we need to find V2 of x. So to find V2 of x, so at I is equal to 2, x2 is 1 plus 1, x2 is 1. So V2 of x is equal to x minus x2 into L2 of x the whole square. So x minus 1 into x square plus x divided by 2 the whole square, which is 1 over 4 into x minus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 2x cube. This is your V2 of x. So at x is equal to 0.5, we need V2 of 0.5, which is 1 by 4 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 to the power of 4 plus 0.5 square plus 2 into 0.5 cube. So this is negative number. Okay, 0.5 minus 1 is negative. So we'll get V2 of 0.5 as minus 0.07031. Okay. Next we need to find ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು, VI's ಆಯಿತು, UI's ಆಯಿತು. So we'll just substitute in H2n plus 1 formula ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So H2n plus 1 is equal to U naught of x into y naught plus U1 of x into y1. ಸಮೇಷನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. U2 of x into y2 plus V naught of x into y1 prime, y naught prime plus V1 of x into y1 prime plus V2 of x into y2 prime. So that implies U naught of x ಏನು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ y naught prime, y1 prime, y2 prime ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು. ಐ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ U naught, y naught, U1, y1, U2, y2, V naught, y naught dash, V1, y1 prime, V2, y2 prime. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ H2n plus 1 as at 0.5 as 1.3749. So this was all about your Hermite interpolation formula. Remain line on some if possible. We'll be giving a task assignment. Please solve it and get thorough with this. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ derivation important problem ಸಹ either problem or the derivation will be asked. Next we'll go to spline interpolation in our upcoming videos. Okay, thank you students. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ please do ask me. Don't hesitate for that. Thank you, students.